Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 CFMoto 450 SS sport bike, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This thing's got some really cool GP style upgrades, little carbon fiber fender up front, smoke windscreen, those blade adjustable mirrors. Wait till you hear the pipe on this thing. Fender eliminator, only 2,300 miles on this awesome 450 SS. Come on by, make your lightweight sport dreams come true. Only $44.99. Oh, this bike is lowered, so if you have a shorter inseam, this one's for you.